Hey guys, how's it going? Today I have an incredibly exciting video for you, like a ton of just really good and really cool news in general. For example, Roblox, yes, the game you guys have been asking me about a ton in the comment section, is now coming to the Quest. Well, at least supposedly. More news on that in a bit. We've got Valve Deckard Filings and a massive update to PCVR on the Quest. So, as usual, I'm Mysticle, and if you guys like this one, slap that red button down below, and let's get right into it. So, first things first. As I'm sure a ton of you are here just for this one piece of news. Roblox on the Quest. It's something I've been asked about a ton in the comment section ever since I made the first video about the first leak that it was kind of leaked from. Well, I have fantastic news for you guys out there that are fans of Roblox, and I know that there's thousands of you. A tweet was recently posted out by @bloxy_news on Twitter, who is apparently quite a trusted source, and that is later on confirmed by the fact that Meta replied to this tweet. Either way, the tweet says, "Get ready to experience the stars, Metaverse stars, in a new immersive way. Hashtag Roblox is officially coming to another device soon. Can anyone guess what it is?" And then glasses and eyes, kind of showing off a VR headset. But the massive giveaway here, of course, is the big Roblox logo in the center of an Oculus logo. Okay, so since recording this video, it has been confirmed that Roblox is coming to the Meta Quest. That is exactly what that tweet was about, and a tweet has been posted. If you haven't already guessed, hashtag Roblox is coming to @MetaQuestVR. Release date and details are currently unknown, but some concept designs made by an admin for the UX have been discovered. Note the following images are concepts and may not make it to full release. And underneath we get some pretty damn cool images of the user interface for Roblox on the Quest. Now, again, these are concepts, they're not official, but this is really cool, and it means we're one step closer to actually making it happen. You can start getting excited. Meta has actually replied to this tweet, kind of showing us that this should be rather reliable. It's fantastic news, and under that, we also see that supposedly Roblox will be coming to the PlayStation, as they are looking for Senior Software Engineer, PlayStation Console, and that's a job listing that they have open. And Meta also replied to that saying, "Yes, we love to see it. What was your first VR experience on the Quest 2? Of course, everyone is spamming Oculus Quest 2. This is fantastic news. I know you guys have been waiting for it. Overall, this is going to expand the amount of people inside VR by a ton. There is thousands of people out there, maybe even millions, that actually play Roblox. And some games on Roblox don't even look like Roblox. I played Roblox aggressively, like hardcore, ages ago, like when I was still in primary school. And it has come so far since. Some of the first-person shooters on Roblox, they don't look like Roblox. They look like an entirely different game, proving to us what you can do with the platform. And Roblox could be a pretty decent metaverse. I mean, they already have tons of users on the platform daily, and tons creating these experiences on it correctly. As far as I'm concerned, Roblox never had a proper VR mode, or at least last time I tried it, it was never like fully fleshed out and proper. But if they had one, I can see developers and users jumping onto that quite a bit, myself included. So there you go. Hopefully this is the piece of news you were waiting for. I myself can't wait to see what comes of it, and do let me know your opinions down below. Here is fantastic news for you in case you don't have a PC but want to be using PCVR. Plutosphere, as many of you probably know, is a cloud PCVR service for your Quest. You can actually use it to play PCVR games on your Quest using the cloud. So if you don't have a good enough PC, but you have pretty decent internet, you should be able to use Plutosphere. There was one main issue with Plutosphere to date, and that is non-persistent storage, meaning if you bought your tokens and then signed out for a little bit and came back a few days later or something like that, all your games and everything would be wiped. You would have to recreate the machine from scratch, download all your games, sign into all your accounts. People didn't like that. Well, I have fantastic news. Plutosphere now has persistent storage. For only $9.99 a month, you can buy that persistent storage and keep your virtual machine, essentially. So anytime you want to come back to your games on your Plutosphere machine, they will be there waiting for you. Now, as well as this, you do also have to buy the token. tokens. But what is nice is Plutosphere isn't a monthly service to actually play on itself. You purchase tokens. So you only kind of have to purchase as much as you need in order to play a game. So if you're only playing one game, you can purchase less tokens. Or if you're playing a really long game, you can purchase more tokens. And that way you're kind of saving money monthly instead of paying for a machine monthly, if you kind of get what I'm saying. It's a pretty decent system. I know some people don't actually like it this way, but I myself have been enjoying it. Do let me know what you think about cloud gaming down below. Are you yourself using Plutosphere? And if you are, did you know about the persistent storage? Do let me know down below. Now, here is something that some might love and some might not love. The Meta Avatar Store is coming soon to VR after Instagram and Facebook. So Meta Avatars, something that has been transferring from one app to another. They are going to be your quote-unquote virtual identity, at least on Facebook apps. Some people love them, some people hate them for their simplicity or the amount of customization options that you have. Meta's Avatar Store is coming soon to VR after it launches on Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. The new store offers the ability to buy digital clothes and style your avatar, because digital goods will be an important way to express yourself in the metaverse, and a big driver of the creative economy. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg wrote, "The storefront should roll out in the coming days in the United States, Canada, Thailand, and Mexico, with products from fashion brands Prada, Balenciaga, and Thom Browne, with the promise of more product announcements soon." So it's interesting. We seem to be seeing branded products on here, which is actually not what I want, believe it or not. I want the user to have the option to create products themselves. I don't necessarily want to be buying branded items in the metaverse. I can do that in real life. Plus, I'm not the kind of person to wear some fashion statement stuff anyway, as you can probably tell. This is, I think this is no brand. I legit don't know what brand this is. I kind of prefer buying unique items from someone creating something and supporting a creator, rather than buying these branded items from these companies that are already massive in the real world, if you get what I'm saying. Some people might be against buying any digital goods whatsoever, but do let me know your opinion down below. Are you going to be styling your avatar, or are you not planning on buying any items from Meta's store anytime soon? Here is one really big something that is not about Meta. This is huge for anybody super excited for a VR headset, a standalone from a massive company that isn't Meta, and of course we're talking about Valve, as Valve patent filing may reveal its standalone headset's design. Evidence of a new headset, codenamed the Deckard, was first discovered in September by YouTuber Brad Lynch, also known as Sadly It's Bradley, in a Steam VR driver. Of course, we've been getting more and more news on that from Sadly It's Bradley, as he's been looking through the code and kind of finding more and more things about the Deckard, proving that it does, as a matter of fact, exist. Today, a Valve design patent application, filed in December titled Head-Mounted Display, was made public by the US Patent and Trademark Office. It depicts a wireless headset with a different design to the Index, but with a similar off-ear speaker setup and a rare strap adjustment knob. It's notable that the front of the headset lacks any kind of detail and doesn't show the cameras or photodiodes that would be expected for positional tracking. That's because the design patent filing actually seems to be focused on the strap system of the headset and its ability to be adjusted for various face and head shapes. The patent isn't about the headset's technical design. So while this isn't necessarily about the headset design itself, but more about the strap, it does tell us a little bit about the headset, and that Valve does have somewhat of a filing for some sort of standalone headset, or are planning to have. This is pretty incredible, as, I mean, this must be kind of like a gotcha moment for Sadly It's Bradley, to be honest. I can't wait to see what they come up with. I'm all in for Valve making a standalone headset, and I would be super excited to check it out and purchase it. To be honest, while I do enjoy my Quest headsets, I do want to see some competition rolling on, and hopefully some high-end standalone competition. You know, if we had a standalone PCVR headset, that would absolutely blow the market away. So I cannot wait to see what Valve creates here, and it seems we're getting more and more glimpses to this headset. So we might just be getting closer. Do let me know what you think down below. Meta finally released a new ad. An ad that kind of shows you the ability of what you can do inside the metaverse, and shows you the futuristic design of some headsets they may be working on for the future. This is pretty cool, and judging by the comments on this one, quite a few people actually agree. So congrats. I mean, this is an ad that honestly is a pleasure to watch, shows you the ability of what you can do in the metaverse, and doesn't necessarily 100% focus on just the Quest headset. It's more about what doors virtual reality opens, and that it's not necessarily just all about gaming. Either way, I just want to say, finally a good ad from Meta. No cringe in this one, showing some futuristic headset design, the EMG wristbands, and everything like that. I mean, do let me know what you thought about this one down below. Have you seen it yet? And if you didn't, of course, I'm going to leave a link to it down below. Yeah, you know, pretty cool. And for our final piece of news, no, Meta did not leak Asgards Wrath for the Quest 2. This was a thing going around on the internet a little while ago. I saw some people being confused about it, and I mean, rightfully so. But as this Upload VR article is about to show us, no, Meta did not just leak Asgards Wrath for the Quest 2. I mean, unfortunate, I would have loved that, but unfortunately, that's not the case. A set of assets released to demonstrate new changes in Quest 2's V41 update featured the Rift exclusive Asgards Wrath in a Quest Store mockup. Sadly, a mockup was all it was. Upload VR reached out to Meta to ask if this graphic confirms that Asgards Wrath is in fact coming to the Quest 2. Unfortunately, it's not to be. The company clarified that this was purely just a mockup, and Asgards Wrath is just a placeholder. The game isn't coming to the Quest 2 as far as we know. That's unfortunate, but you know what? It's nice to clear things up, and that is the piece of news that we're going to end today's video on. As you could probably tell, I'm smiling quite a lot in today's one. There was quite a lot of really good, really large pieces of news today that I am super happy to be able to share with you guys. But that is going to be it. Hopefully you guys learned something new. Hopefully you found out something interesting. If you did, please leave a like. If you guys disliked the video, you know, this button does work too, but please do let me know why down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to all the Patreons supporting this channel. You guys help me out a ton, paying my bills, paying my subscriptions, and overall helping me make these videos better. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we've got merch down below. We've also got that weird thank button from YouTube in case you guys want to use that to support the channel, and we've also got the Patreon down there as well. Join our Discord, join our Reddit. I want to see you posting your spicy memes on there. I'm active on there quite a bit more recently, so in case you want to chat, I'm on there. And that is going to be it. If you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel, make sure to smack that subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.